With the head coach of your Brockville Braves, Matt Ward, and Matt, down to 10 games to go in the season. But I think one of the biggest things you were hoping to accomplish, I believe you did, a good start, was last weekend, 4 points. More importantly, 1 goal against in 2 games. And of course, the goals against has been an issue.
Yeah, I mean, we're happy about the 4 points, but extremely happy about the way we played in our own end and how we limited the goals against, for sure. It's been something we battled all year, but the guys put the time in during the week, and it paid off for them in the games.
Kemptville 73s tonight. That's game 6, final game of the regular season. You're up 3-2 in the season series. The last game wasn't so long ago, 3-1 loss in Kemptville.
Yeah, that was a game back end of a 3-3, and three blatant mistakes cost us the game at the end, and their goaltender made big saves in that game. I felt that we did play well, but we've got to limit the mistakes, and we can't give them opportunities, especially close to our net, because they have guys that are capable of scoring goals.
At this juncture of the season, this is a big win. You've always strung 2 wins together already. A busy weekend. Kemptville 73s here tonight, Hawkesbury in on Sunday, then off to Carleton Place on Monday, where you played quite well last time. Big weekend. Yeah,
I mean, we're not looking past tonight just yet, but every point's important this time of the year, and especially in the dogfight we're in the standings right now. We've got to make sure we come prepared to get 2 points every night and focus on the task at hand.
And I think the other thing, Matt, is there's a very, very good opportunity here to move up.
Yeah, I guess we could dub this one like a 4-point game. It's the team we're chasing, and we're right there behind them, and these are games that you can't look past and make sure you come ready to play.
Thanks for doing this as usual, Matt. Best wishes tonight.
All right, thank you. Anytime.
Matt Ward of your Brockville Braves.